My name is Randy Leon. We're in Little Pine Restaurant in Silver Lake, California. The last dish is the Umbellifers. It's a family of root vegetables that are aromatic, very aromatic, and their flowers grow into the shape of umbrellas. We lay that on top of green goddess puree, mount it with some pickled onion for acidity, as well as a little grassy notes from the chervil. This is our Umbellifers dish, so root vegetables, aromatic root vegetables grown where their flowers bud similar to an umbrella, so hence the name Umbellifers. So right here we have some carrot juice. That's what we're gonna cook our vegetables in. A little bit more butter, pickled onion for garnish, chervil for a little grassy notes as well. Thank you. This goddess. Do a little bit of oil. We're gonna come over here with our vegetables. These have been roasted prior, just so that it's got a little less, cut down that cooking time. It's got moisture in it, but it still retains crunch as well. So again, right here, a little pinch of salt, help draw out some moisture. Give it a little toss. We're gonna add some of our carrot juice. We're gonna add a nice knob of butter. So this, we're looking just for a sauce that's gonna coat it real nice and give it a little more of that carrot flavor. The little green goddess on the plate. Right in the center. Then we're gonna build around that. All right, from here, we're gonna start with the big guys, right around the edges. We're just gonna layer that. Get some nice views, nice colors everywhere. Throw in some of those fennels, caramelized fennel. And we're plating around it so you can still see that the goddess is there. Then we're gonna come at that with a little bit of pickled red onions, just to give it some acid, some acidity, a little burst of brightness. We're gonna hit that with a fennel pollen. Right on top, and finish with a little more grassy notes. Some chervil. It's light, it's not gonna take away from the dish, but it's there to give it more color as well as to give it a little grassy note. And here we have some Umbellifers with green goddess and pickled red onion.